is question the grant of land indiscriminately, acquisition of land indiscriminately, convert into a real estate. These people, Supreme Court Chief Justice, made a very sarcastic and very irresponsible the statement from the bench, which is not called for at all. See, how you can say environmentalists are coming in the way of the defending and seeking the help from the Supreme Court. Please come to the rescue. This environmental ecology is being destroyed by this big the money people. So industry will be there. If the people will happily be there. If the people are not happily they are living and biodiversity is not there, what purpose industry? Where the industry? If industry near the village, industry in the agriculture fields, industry in the gas. What happened in Gopal? How many thousands of people died? They died long back in 85 or 86. The reminiscence of today, even the women suffering, physically handicapped, the children who birth they have given, they are suffering. What an amount of compensation will not give any help to the people. So therefore, this environmental ecology very, very important. For that purpose, it is time for us. You have seen in the month of November, the former Chief Justice, outgoing Chief Justice, was hearing the matter in relation to the mountains, Aravalli, 4 states, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttaranchal, all these, Haryana, all these interpretation on the basis of the report of an expert committee. Who are you to give interpretation? Interpretation, definition, Aravalli area must be defined by the competent legislature. The expert committee can be substituted for a legislative authority? No. There were authorities, there were judgments by the President. He did not look into it deliberately. He passed the judgment. Immediately, hue and cry by the people. The matter was listed during the vacation, the Christmas vacation. It is still matter pending. So therefore, today, at the expense of these big money people wanted to grab the mineral in the mountains, and that is being very calculatively, they are trying to conquer. For that we have to put full stop. Supreme Court may decide, that's a different matter. But let them decide whatever they want. But we wanted to emphasize the ban, bring pressure, persuade the Parliament to bring the enactment to protect the mountains, the rivers. If the river is polluted, the earth will also be completely destroyed. There is serious danger for the living of not only the animal kingdom, the human beings. The 30-40 years back, you were not taking distillery water. You were drinking pond water because it's not polluted. The canals, what we were drinking in the rural India. Today, even to drink water from the bottle, there is a serious threat of pollution. So therefore, the animal, the living existence is at stake. I wanted you to enlighten on this topic by giving wide publicity to attract and create awareness to the common people. Common people later, the governors in the sense, persons legislators and the parliamentarians, statesmen, prime minister, chief minister, and judges of this country, they must protect this nation. Otherwise, there is a serious danger for all of us. The common people will die. And we are under the impression we are hale and healthy. We are not hale and healthy. Our longevity may be there, but we are suffering. 50% of the people are diabetic. 50% the women, most the cancer disease, if you go and see, it is increasing. That is because of this environmental ecology. It is crude theory, I am telling you. So therefore, I appeal to you, please do your job and come to the rescue of the millions of the people who are suffering on account of the inaction, not discharging their constitutional function, not conceived of whether such a law should be enacted or not. In the absence of enactment of the law, what is the danger that we will be confronting? Not only danger for us, it is a danger to the posterity of the humanity and violation of the human rights. Thank you very much for your time.
Anybody have questions they can ask?
Okay. Professor J.D. Agarwal, in thought that he went on the strike. The entire country was, this was about 6 years back. 8 years back, near Ganga purification, Haridwar. Government did not respond. He died. Because the hunger strike, he died. He refused to go to the hospital. He refused to take him to the hospital and admit him. He died. See, great the environmentalist, as we have lost a great environmentalist like this. Every day and day in, day out, people are fighting. And in respect of this, what he was fighting is the electro power generation stations were being constructed, already constructed 7 in that area, Haridwar area. There was the grant of permission is illegal, contrary to the environment and ecology. Against that he stopped and understood. And now they have constructed, the government of India has filed an affidavit before Supreme Court very recently, last 4-5 days back, stating that we are not going to give permission. Whatever the construction is on, it will go on. See, look at the irresponsible attitude towards the human life which we have lost. Professor J.D. Agarwal. This was published in the Times of India on last Thursday. Please go through the news item published in the Times of India about this J.D. Agarwal and the hydroelectric power projects are being allowed near the Haridwar. This is the attitude of state governments as well as the government of India.
Thank you very much. Anybody is having questions? Now tea can be served as a coffee.